BrainBobble presents How to Develop Your Intuition in 8 Easy Steps. Are you ready to unlock the power of your intuition? In this video, we'll show you how to develop and trust your intuition in 8 easy steps. With these simple strategies, you'll be able to tap into your inner wisdom and make decisions with confidence. 1. Connect with yourself. Taking time to connect with yourself is an important step to developing your intuition because it helps you form a better understanding of who you are and how the world works around you. When you take time to be still, it gives you the opportunity to listen to what your intuition is saying, which can point you in the right direction for making decisions. This can help make sure that all of your actions are aligned with what you truly believe in, so that your actions will be based on something stronger than just other people's opinions. 2. Express gratitude. Expressing gratitude is an important part of developing your intuition. When we are thankful for the things in our lives, it helps us to focus on the positive instead of worrying about the negative. By being mindful of what we're grateful for, it can open our minds to see possibilities we wouldn't otherwise see. As a result, this can help us tap into our deepest wisdom and develop a greater sense of connection with ourselves and our intuition. On top of that, expressing gratitude helps us to stay in the present moment, something essential for honing in on your inner voice. 3. Mindful activities. Incorporate mindful activities into your daily routine, paying attention to sensations like the breath and body, or practicing mindful walking and eating are just a few of the things that can help you learn to focus on what's happening right now instead of worrying about the future or ruminating on the past. Doing mindful activities helps you recognize how your body and mind react when you're given different stimuli or situations, which can help you identify your intuition. Having this awareness allows you to make decisions from within yourself and not from what other people say is best for you. It's like it puts an extra set of eyes on the world around us that helps us make wise choices. 4. Engage your senses. Engaging our senses is one of the best ways to develop our intuition. By actively using our senses, we allow ourselves to become more aware of the world around us. This increased awareness gives us a better understanding of the thoughts and feelings that are inside of us. With this understanding, we can distinguish between helpful and unhelpful intuition, allowing us to make decisions that are in alignment with what feels right for us. By engaging our senses and paying attention to our surroundings, we open ourselves up to trusting and acting on our intuitive gut instincts. 5. Make time for fun and play. Intuition is often dulled by stress, so making time for fun and play is an integral part of developing our intuition. When we give ourselves permission to have fun and enjoy the present moment, we become more aware of our internal thoughts and feelings. The act of engaging in activities that bring us joy can also help us to process difficult emotions, allowing us to move forward with greater clarity and understanding. Fun and play can also be a time where we are able to tap into our creativity, leading us to come up with new ideas or solutions based on our intuition. By making room for fun and play in our lives, we cultivate an environment where it is easier for our intuition to flourish. 6. Trust your instincts. Trusting your instincts is key to developing your intuition. Your instincts are like an inner voice that gives you clues about how to act in any given situation. When you pay attention and listen to this voice, it can help steer you towards decisions that are best for you. As you practice listening to your instincts and trusting what they tell you, your intuition will become stronger and more reliable. You'll start noticing patterns in the world around you, and begin to trust that feeling inside of you before taking action, making it much easier for your intuition to guide the way. 7. Clarify your intentions. Clarifying your intentions is important for developing your intuition. Our intentions are the driving force behind our actions, and understanding what we truly want can help us make better decisions. When you take the time to figure out what your intentions are, it can help you focus on what matters most and prioritize your choices accordingly. Ask yourself some questions about what you want to do or accomplish and why it matters to you so that your intuition can better guide you on the right path. Questions like "What do I want? What am I trying to achieve? And why does it matter?" should help provide clarity on what steps need to be taken next. 8. Take action and follow through. Taking action and following through are essential for developing your intuition. Intuition is like a muscle, the more we use it, the stronger it gets. When you take action and follow through on what you believe in, you're giving your intuition an opportunity to prove itself. It will become easier for you to trust yourself and act on that inner voice because you have seen the results of doing so time and time again. As you continue to exercise your intuition, it will become more reliable and accurate, meaning when you make decisions based off of it, they are more likely to be successful. The power of our intuition should never be underestimated. With the right tools and knowledge, we can trust it to help guide us on the path towards success. Taking the necessary steps to strengthen our intuition is an investment in ourselves that will reap great rewards. By engaging our senses, making time for fun and play, trusting our instincts, clarifying intentions and taking action, we can tap into a powerful internal source of guidance and insight that will bring clarity to any situation. As we continue to practice developing our intuitive skills, we will eventually learn how to listen to our inner voice and make decisions with confidence that are aligned with what feels right for us. And for more insightful tips and life-expanding food for thought, subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on any future videos. Thanks for watching.